You can just twist this. You can see the oil came out, and now it's draining. And then keep on twisting it, and then there you go. You can see here I'm draining it in a small container. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. We are here to do unboxing and installation of this Valvomax all drain system that I will install in my Honda Pilot here. It's a 2024. The size is M14 1.5, and I bought this from Canadian Tire. This is also available in Amazon, and this is made in USA. So here, this one will make it easy for me to do another change oil. And this one will replace the drain plug of this Honda Pilot. So I will make a change oil first, and then remove the drain plug and switch it with this oil drain plug system by Valvomax. So this one have triple leak protection. So one is inside, ball bearing inside that have like a rubber gasket. There's one more here. I will remove this cover first, and then here you can see this O-ring, and then this cover also have a rubber that will make another seal. You can see here. So if we tighten it, this O-ring will seal this cap, and then also this one will seal the cap. So there's a lot of leak protection. And then once you install this one, and you're going to do another draining of for your next oil change, you need this adapter, and this one will be inserted here. And if you can see, there's a metal piece protruding. This one will push the ball bearing and then drain the oil. So this one can go directly to the oil jug that you used before, and then bring it to the recycling center. So if you press, the more you press it, the more you rotate it, the faster the oil will be drained. But of course, you have to make sure that the oil is warm before draining. Okay, so alright, let's start draining the oil first of my Honda Pilot, and then I will show you how to install this. So after draining my oil, use the plug. I remove the old plug, and for the purpose of reference, this was the drain plug. Then this is the Valvomax drain. You can see the difference here. You can see this way. With the Valvomax, they provided this O-ring, or a crash washer with a rubber O-ring here. And for installing this, I have to remove this cup so that I can do my torque, and also this O-ring. Okay, I take it up first. So after removing all the cap and the O-ring, I will install this out of the excess oil. And then see. And tight. Alright. So you can see the position of the drain plug. It's not like the other drain like going down. It's always like a vertical or horizontal going there. So it's safe. No problem with the branch or any rocks hitting this. And then we have to torque. So here I have a 15, 16. Alright. So torque is around 18 to 20. I'll do 20 for the torque. I'll be needing the let's do this properly. It's too tight space. Let's see if I can use the extension. Let's see if it will work. Let's see. One will work. Oh, it worked. There you go. That's a 20. Okay, that's it. Then put this back, this O-ring, like all the way, and then wait. And then this cup, this will act as the dust cup and additional leak protection or another safety. So that's it. Alright. Okay. Okay, now for draining the oil, do closer. For draining the oil, all you have to do is remove this cover and then insert this adapter. There you go. And then for this hose, you can put it in your jug or any container, or Valvomax are also selling a jug compatible for this one. You can also buy that one with a 20-liter capacity. That would be good for 3 to 4 change oil. So here you can just twist this. You can see the oil came out. and now it's draining, and then keep on twisting it, and then there you go. You can see here I'm draining it in a small container. That's a neat way of draining the oil, and no need to remove the drain plug and then buying a crash washer every time. All you have to do is unscrew this and attach this adapter and then drain your oil. It may take a little longer, but at least it is safer to your oil pan, because if you over tighten this or damage the thread, you have to buy a new one. So with this one, you remove that the issue of over tightening if you don't have torque. And yeah, it's really easy for my next change oil, or for this change oil. So for this demo, what I did is I removed the oil. Then after installing this, I just return the oil back to the engine and then drain the oil just for the demo purpose. But for the next change oil, I will have no issue. So this is almost done. See? Next is just unscrew counterclockwise, and then there you go. Yeah. And for this hose, put it in the Ziploc or any container, so because you will use this next time. Then let's wipe it a little bit. Just remove some of the oil, so that next time you open it, you will not suspect that there's a lot of leak or leaking. So tomorrow, or maybe after driving a few kilometers, I will double check this. And then tighten it by hand. Okay. Then pull it just halfway. See, that's how I installed the Valvomax to my Honda Pilot 2024. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.